Well, it's a beautiful sunny day, guys. I don't think I can put this off much longer. When I head back to town, I'm going to be going to my buddy John's shop at Pacific Coast Metalcraft to weld up my ramp. And then I got to transport that thing up here and attach it to something. So this can't be here. It's got to be on these new footings. So today I'm going to take this whole thing apart. Now I contemplated trying to move it or skid it or build some scaffolding and stuff like that and use my farm jacks, but honestly, I would spend all day just trying to set up the rigging to do that, and I think in a day I could just unscrew this whole thing and take it apart. Like, it's all screwed and legged together. The only problem is I Sikaflex these posts on, so they're kind of glued on, so I'm gonna have to really leverage and kind of cut the caulking in behind to get these posts off. But even if I can't get the posts off, I can still unscrew all the decking and get all the joists apart and hopefully be able to manage, you know, maybe these railings could still stay together and they'd just be attached to the one beam. That I could probably, you know, each end just kind of force it over. So I've only got to move this thing, maybe the front end has to move about 10 or 15 feet and the back end just has to slide right to here. So got my wall set up there. So I need to undo all this decking first and just start pulling all this stuff apart, get all this off of here. So pitter patter, let's get at her. Oh man, it sounded like the old guys. Okay, so I'm 3 hours into it. This is actually going really well. I got all the posts off without damaging them. A few little, you know, tear outs and stuff that I could fix. That'll all get hidden though when I screw it back down. I've got all the legs are out. These 4x4s on either side are free of the middle joist and the bridging. I'm gonna leave the joist and the bridging together here because I think I can just kind of muscle that over. That won't be too heavy, but I gotta get these 4x4s out of the way and move them over here. So I've got these threaded rods that go all the way down and are epoxied into the rock. So I gotta release these bolts, lift these 4x8s out of here. And then I'm gonna take the plastic spacers here, move them over onto my little, my new foundation wall there, and get that beam and those posts free because I need to cut one of the posts shorter so that it sits on the new piers. Move that over. That's the hard part, or not even really that hard, but once that's over, it's just screw it all back together. So might even get it done today. Let's see. I'll be happy if I can get the framing moved over. I'll do the decking tomorrow. No slip discs yet. So I forgot my 3/4 inch auger bit. So I'm gonna try and drill with the hammer drill from the bottom here. It's gonna be a bit of a mess, but I think I can get it done. It's either that or an hour's trip into town to buy an auger bit and come back. Can't believe I forgot it. I usually keep it in my tool bag, but I remember seeing it on my workbench and I think I just left it there because I didn't think I'd need it, but I did. Oh well. Improvise. Could have been a little smoother than that. At least I'm not dead or injured. Way to throw your back at him so you can't frickin' help me. Gosh. Cameraman, you know? This is gonna be hard to put up. I'm just realizing I'm gonna have to like. Whereas over there I was coming down on top. Here I'm coming up from the bottom. It's gonna be a hard lift. But life is hard. It fits. I gotta say, that's pretty impressive. Not only did I put that on without killing myself, had some close calls. These footings, which I formed in precarious situations, exactly the same as those ones. Same spacing, same pin placement, everything. Not easy to do. Whew. Oh, that makes me feel so good. See, when you have a threaded rod in the center of the post with downward pressure, the washer and nut pulling down, it creates a tension. Like that thing is just as sturdy as the concrete now. That's essentially a part of the concrete. Yeah, I need to put some shims in the back here just to kind of tweak that forward a bit. Well, I'm pretty tired. Think I'll have dinner now. Got the framing done. Just need to put the rimmer on the end there and start screwing the deck down. Not bad for a day's work.